Hi, my name is Brett Allison, and I'm going to talk to you today about some practical strategies for optimizing your HPE three-part environments. No matter what I'm doing, I try to be practical and pragmatic. Folks that purchase the HPE three-part storage systems also tend to be practical. They want the most bang for their buck. My hope for this webinar is that you get some practical information on how to manage your HPE three-part environment. The objectives of this presentation are to help users understand how to approach, manage, and optimize performance in an HPE three-part environment by examining several real-life examples, including evaluating the cost of optimization, understanding if your system is running suboptimally, evaluating horsepower, detecting imbalances, and evaluating long-term trends. The HP three-part storage system provides enterprise-class performance and features at mid-range pricing. The HP three-part platform consists of up to 8 nodes. The nodes also contain control cache, data cache, and quad-core Intel processors. There are also 2 specialized ASICs used for data movement and cache management, and cache memory is designed to scale with the nodes. A high-speed interconnect is used for connecting the cache and the data. Data is backed up with 2 copies in case any data is lost. In the next few slides, we'll take a look at the volume management and HP three-part adaptive optimization. The way that the three-part volume management works is that you will have SSDs, fiber channel drives, and nearline drives, and within those you will have chunklets that become like mini physical disks. Those chunklets are grouped together to form logical disks, and those logical disks are either SSD, fiber channel, or nearline. Then the logical disks get grouped together in a CPG for the purpose of provisioning. From the CPGs, the virtual volumes are host addressable, and they are either tiered or non-tiered. HP three-part's auto-tiering technology is called adaptive optimization. Let's take an example. In this case, there are 3 CPGs, SSD, fiber channel, and nearline. Let's take a look at the policies. We have a gold policy which has both SSD and fiber channel and a mode of performance. This instructs adaptive optimization to promote as much activity to the SSD tier as possible. In the case of the silver AO policy, we have a mode of balanced, and that's going to instruct the AO policy to distribute the IOs evenly based on the IOPS capabilities of the drives and the space available. The bronze AO policy is set to cost, and that's going to bias towards the nearline tier. There's also a capacity warning that influences the way that the adaptive optimization works as well. If the amount of space consumed in a tier exceeds the warning limit, then the AO policy will attempt to move regions from the full tier to any other tier with free space. Today we're going to take a look at several case studies. The first is looking at how to understand if your system has enough resources. The second case study will be looking at optimizing adaptive optimization, and then we'll look at the impact or the cost in terms of resources of optimization. After that, we'll take a look at how to identify and detect imbalances in your HP three-part environment. And lastly, we'll take a look at whether or not a trend is good or bad and then how you might deal with it.